In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate Messenger account. It's going to be a full guide video. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So at first, you need to have a Facebook account. So make sure you're currently logged into your Messenger. So if you love to deactivate your account, what you need to do, click on the Messenger, click on the settings, scroll down, you're going to be able to see Account Center. So click on Show More in Account Center. So I'm going to click on it. So this is going to come out. You're going to be able to see the personal details under the password and security. So once you click on it, you're going to be able to see the account ownership and control tab. That is the last option. Click on it. Once you click on it, this tab is going to show. So once you click on the account ownership and control tab, this is what is going to come out. So click on deactivation and deletion. You're going to be able to see your account. Click on your account. So you're going to be able to see deactivate account. So once you click on the continue, you're going to be able to verify that you're the one that want to do this on your account. Once you are done, you can be able to deactivate your you can be able to deactivate your Messenger account. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the very next video.